And the long rumbles of the thunder, the heat, the humidity allowing for that outside. Severe thunderstorm watch still in effect for our counties here along and south of I-80. And that's exactly where we have the storms lined up right now along and south of I-80 here, where we're finding the heaviest of the rain and the strongest of the storms right now, really centered across parts of southern Will and Kankakee counties. This is where we could have wind gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour. So Kankakee, get ready, as well as Bourbonnais, as we take a look right down I-57, but still some scattered activity back to the west as well into parts of northwest Indiana. The storms have been on a weakening trend. That is good news. We do not have any severe thunderstorm warnings on the map right now, and we hope it stays that way. And the amount of lightning beginning to go down, but still a lot of frequent lightning can be expected for at least the next 1 to 2 hours as these slowly shift their way off to the south. A lot of rain as well, at times up to 1 to 2 inches per hour rain rates coming out of these storms. A flood advisory in effect for Cook and DuPage until 12:15. So just hinting at the fact we could see some isolated flooding and ponding on area roads out there. Another one issued for parts of LaSalle right along I-80 until midnight. And then another one here in parts of northwest Indiana for Porter County until 12:30. A lot of rain and gusty winds, even some hail for some of you. Now take a look at the regional view here. Those storms just blowing up earlier this evening. We still have that line pretty intense through parts of our region right now, but another cluster of storms here back to the west. This is inching its way farther to the north as this line drops off to the south. So what can we expect? The storms that are here in our area right now will continue to slowly drift to the south, but as we head into the early morning, still the possibility 1, 2, 3 a.m. of some isolated rain and an isolated storm, but the severe weather threat really starts to drop off after midnight. As we go into the day tomorrow, behind these storms, temperatures taking a tumble. Still a slight risk of a strong to severe storm. We're still in that zone for about the next 1 to 2 hours. The main threats with those storms right now will be the possibility of some isolated flooding as well as some gusty winds upwards of 40 miles per hour. Take a look at that temperature right now, 76 degrees. Today's high, 99, record breaking, beating the previous record of 97 degrees. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s currently. We still have dew points in the 60s and 70s, so it is muggy out there, but we'll start to work in some more comfortable air as we head later this week. So for tonight, we'll keep our eyes on those storms as we head into tomorrow. Still the possibility of some isolated storms continuing to Thursday and Friday, but plenty of dry time. The payoff